Hey friends, Jake Comstock here from Running Rock. Running Rock Eco Resort will soon be the very first net zero resort in the United States. That means that we'll be producing as much power renewably as we consume. Nestled on this 260 acres near Gatlinburg, Tennessee, is a mile of stream, more than a mile of ridge tops like the view you see here, a waterfall that's fantastic, and soon we'll have a 50 kilowatt solar farm, 20 to 30 greenbelt energy efficient cottages, and a village down below on one of the ridge tops that most of you would consider a lodge. We know that our goals are highly unusual given the mainstream tourism around us, so we're trying to keep it simple, and we've decided that if we can focus on our mission and our goals, that we will create a very special place. The major difference is that this project is so very personal, and our goals are to make the atmosphere and experience exceptional as opposed to whatever drives typical developments. Efforts like our Habitat Save and Restore program are perfect examples of our goals. In that particular program, we are saving as much trees and shrubs and habitat as we possibly can, while also restoring this habitat so that the native wildlife have a better browse. Truthfully, I'm just a regular guy, a local who grew up here in the Smokies, and along with my wife and kids, loves nature, and we're hoping to create a place that is focused on nature while also teasing the senses with all sorts of natural resources, and we'll also be trying to be as eco-friendly and conservation-minded as possible. Thank you to all of our friends and the friends we have not yet met for your support. May God bless you in your goals, in everything you do in the meantime. And if you would, please check out our YouTube channel, our website, our social media stuff, and have a good day.